Hello everyone, this is my review of the Thermacell refills. You'll get 4 fluid cartridges and 12 mats in a pack. The cartridges can go to any one of these Thermacell products, so it's interchangeable, so it's very versatile. Let me go ahead and open the pack and show you what the cartridges look like. Okay, I got it open. This is what it look like. They're pretty easy to install. Just take the cap off and you push them into the slot, and that's pretty much about it. I do recommend this product. These Thermacell products work really well in getting the mosquitoes to stay at bay. So this is the mat pack here. You have 12 of those, and I hope this review helps.